boys and girls. How are you? Fine. Excellent. Today we are going to learn something new in phonology. Here we go. The page is the page number 23, vocabulary lesson number 2. Okay. Using our words, complete the chart with information about 3 words from your list. Which list? This list of words. Okay, remember that we have summer, rumor, rodent, pilot, command, module, jerk, comfortable, whiskers, flooring, seatbelt, bounced. Okay, so we are going to try to complete this chart. Here you are going to write the word, here the definition of the word that you already chosen, okay, the synonym of the word that you chosen, okay, and the part of the speech, okay, which part of the speech is, and the antonym of this word. Okay, I'm going to help you with this, okay, but let me one moment please. Okay, this AMCO is doing some problems here. Okay, so let me show you this. Okay, here we go. Please. Okay, I got it. Okay, the number 1 is comfortable. Okay, the definition is being at easy or in comfort. The synonym, coffee. Okay, the part of the speech is an adjective, and the antonym is uncomfortable. Okay, yes, okay, I have here the other idea, word, summer, the definition, season of the year when it's the hottest. Okay, synonym, summertime. Okay, the part of the speech is a noun. Okay, and the antonym is winter. Okay, summer, winter. Okay, with another word. Okay, and the sentence. Okay, I forgot the sentence for the first one. Comfortable is I feel very comfortable in sweatpants. Me too. Okay, the sentence for this word summer. I love go to the beach in the summer. Okay, excellent. The word command, definition, an order given by a superior. Synonym, order. Okay, the part of a speech is a noun. Okay, and the antonym is a request. Okay, sentence. The captain gave a command we all had to follow. Okay, excellent. This part we won't work on this. Okay, okay, excellent. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, remember, work on you for you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.